How to change language on TaoBao app from Chinese to English, step by step. Intro. Hey everyone. Welcome back to How to Mastery. In today's quick guide, I'll show you how to change the TaoBao app language from Chinese to English step by step. Let's begin. Step 1. Open the TaoBao app. First, open the TaoBao app on your phone. By default, the interface is in Chinese. Step 2. Go to Profile My TaoBao. Now tap on the My TaoBao tab at the bottom right corner. This is your profile section. Step 3. Open Settings. Next, tap on the gear icon at the top right corner to open the Settings menu. Step 4. Select the language option. Scroll down the Settings menu until you find a section that shows Yuyan. Tap on it. Step 5. Choose English. From the list of available languages, select English. Then, confirm your choice if prompted. Step 6. Restart the app. Finally, close and